Welcome to Splashy Reef. Looks like Baby Grub Shark and some of his baby shark friends are playing on that giant clam. It's bouncy like a trampoline. Oh no! The red baby shark has fallen off and got a boo-boo. Mummy Shark is calling the octopus doctor. I think the red baby will be okay, but no more jumping on the clam bed. Now there's 4 little sharks. They're having great fun bouncing on the bed. Oh no! The little green shark has fallen off now. Daddy Shark is here to take care of it. The octopus doctor is back. She says no more jumping on the bed. Now there are 3 little sharks jumping on the clam. Maybe if they're careful, then this time... Oh no! The little orange shark has fallen off and hit his head. Here comes the octopus doctor again. No more jumping on the clam, right little sharks? There's 2 little sharks left jumping on the clam now. Watch out, little blue shark! Oh no, not again! It's Fin Shark. He's here to help. Here comes the octopus doctor. No more bouncing on the clam, baby grub. There's just 1 baby shark jumping on the bed. Baby grub looks like he's having an amazing time. That's a really high jump. Uh-oh. Baby shark has hit his head. It's okay though, Mummy Shark is here to kiss it better. The other baby sharks are okay too. Look, see? There's plenty of other ways to play other than jumping on the bed.